In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Behance Video. We'll cover two simple approaches: using an online video downloader and using a browser extension. I'll guide you through each option and share a few tips so you get a clean, playable file without hassle. Start by opening the Behance project that contains the video you want and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. That full link is what the downloader needs to locate the file. Next, head to a reputable downloader site, for example, loader.to. On the page, paste the Behance link into the field provided. Most tools let you pick a format. MP4 is broadly compatible and a safe choice. Some tools also offer resolution options. Higher resolutions look better but create larger files. When you confirm, the site processes the link and prepares a download button. Click to save the video. Your browser will place it in your default downloads folder unless you choose a different location. If the tool stalls or can't read the page, try the other site or wait a moment and retry. Behance pages can load multiple assets, and some downloaders handle them differently. Remember to download only content you have permission to save. If you prefer a built-in workflow, you can use a browser extension. Install an extension such as Video Downloader Professional or a similar media grabber from the Chrome Web Store or your browser's add-ons catalog. Review permissions and stick to well-rated, up-to-date extensions with the extension installed. Open the Behance project video and let it load. Activate the extension by clicking its icon. It will scan the page and list the media it detects. Choose the video file, usually identified by its size or resolution. Then start the download. The file will save just like any other download. If the extension shows multiple items, pick the one that matches the quality you want. If nothing appears, press play on the video or refresh the page. Then activate the extension again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.